Welcome to this video introducing BIOZONE's latest title, Physics of the Universe. Physics of the Universe is one of 3 new titles in BIOZONE's integrated series for NGSS. Physics of the Universe is structured on the California framework, the 3-course model. Comprised of 6 instructional segments, it also has a basic skills section which has been developed by the writers here at BIOZONE to support students in the required mathematical and computational skills they need to meet performance expectations. This is a dedicated NGSS title, written from first principles to provide a fully 3-dimensional program. As such, it is phenomenon-based and student-driven. Inquiry provides the vehicle for exploring phenomena, and student learning is scaffolded using the 5 E's instructional model. This model fits well with the NGSS inquiry-based approach because students repeatedly explore and explain phenomena as they progress through an instructional segment. They are given multiple opportunities to elaborate on what they have learned and then apply their understanding during evaluations. Note that our assessments are fully 3-dimensional, reducing your reliance on test banks and pick the right answer type evaluations. Hands-on student investigations throughout are identified by green boxes. These enable students to explore and investigate phenomena directly. It reinforces their learning, it enables them to ask questions and find answers about what they see, and it improves their practical skills. There's also an excellent opportunity for students to work collaboratively, that is, working in groups, and practice their scientific vocabulary, students talking to each other using scientific language. The collaborative approach in many of BIOZONE's tasks is an important part of the differentiated classroom and allows English language learners to hear and speak English while being supported by their peers. So, what does the structure of one instructional segment look like? It begins with an anchoring phenomena. The anchoring phenomena is an important feature of the chapter. This is something that students may be aware of but cannot fully explain. They should be reassured that they're not expected to know the answers at this stage. That is what the chapter is about. At the conclusion of each instructional segment, there is an end activity called the Anchoring Phenomena Revisited. This is where they have an opportunity to demonstrate the understanding that they have developed during the course of all the activities in the instructional segment. Everyday and investigative phenomena provide the engagement for each new activity. Students then work through the material of each activity in an iterative spiral, in which they deepen their understanding of the phenomena. Subsequent activities may draw on understanding of earlier activities, so we recommend that teachers approach the course delivery in roughly the order that it's presented, as in the framework. The anchoring phenomena is revisited in the final activity at the end of the instructional segment, and this serves as a self-test or a formative assessment. It is your opportunity to evaluate the understanding of your students and their readiness to move to tasks that incorporate all or part of the specific performance expectations. Summative assessment activities conclude the end of each chapter or instructional segment. We have a number of design features that help you recognise the pedagogical innovations of this series. We communicate these in 3 main ways: through the teacher's introduction, through the tab system, and through the resource hub. The teacher's edition provides a really good summary of the embedded coding used in the books. The classroom guide, which is a preface found in the teacher's edition, but is also available as a download from BIOZONE's website, unpacks a lot of these features for you. On the Resource Hub, you'll find support material to support student exploration and to help English language learners and gifted students alike. What about the way in which BIOZONE handles environmental literacy? California's environmental principles and concepts are identified on the relevant pages by the use of an orange box. They build and support environmental literacy, they provide examples in context, and they provide a very strong focus on Californian examples. With Physics of the Universe, we have provided you with a flexible resource that fully embraces the pedagogical intent and approach of next generation science standards. It integrates performance expectations relevant to physics and earth sciences in an engaging and meaningful way. If you have any questions at all about the content or the pedagogical features of our product, please contact our author hotline. There will be an email address provided at the end of this presentation. Thank you.